Have you ever seen someone get love, care, and a perfect home and still choose to run away? That is exactly what happens in Atithi by Rabindranath Tagore. So the story begins when Motilal Babu, a wealthy landlord from Kathalia, is traveling home by boat with his wife Annapurna and their young daughter Charushashi. So during the journey, a teenage Brahmin boy named Tarapada asks for a lift to Nandigram. So Motilal Babu agrees. Tarapada is handsome, talented and full of life. He helps with cooking, mixes easily with people and soon impresses everyone. So Annapurna learns that Tarapada ran away from his loving home as a child, not because of trouble but because he has a restless nature. So he keeps moving from one group to another, yatra troupe, singers, gymnasts, never staying anywhere for long. So on the boat, Tarapada feels the happiest with his nature, the kind of nature he had. He helps the boatmen, he sings beautifully and then plays the flute. So one evening he sings the story of Kush and love so wonderfully that everyone is mesmerized. So Motilal Babu begins to think of Tarapada as his own son. Annapurna also, she grows emotionally attached to him. Only Charushashi feels jealous as she is used to all the attentions. When they reach Kathalia, Tarapada quickly wins the hearts of the villagers with his friendly nature and ability to do all kinds of work. So everyone loves him except Charushashi, whose jealousy only grows stronger day by day. She becomes especially angry when she realizes that her friend Sonamani also knows Tarapada, and in a fit of rage and anger, she breaks his flute. So Tarapada remains calm and strangely curious about this kind of fiery nature. Later, Tarapada starts learning English and he stays focused on his studies. The Charushashi, she deliberately disturbs him out of jealousy. So almost 2 years pass, an unusually long time for a wandering boy like Tarapada. So saying this, Annapurna suggests that Tarapada should marry their daughter Charushashi. So after checking his family background, Motilal Babu sends a marriage proposal which is accepted by his family. However, Tarapada is still kept unaware of all these plans. So one night Tarapada sees boats heading to a grand festival in Kurulkata. So the music, lights, thunder, rain and rising river, it awakens his old desire for freedom. So the next morning, just as wedding preparations arrive and Tarapada's family reaches the village, Tarapada disappears. Subscribe to my channel Beauty of Language for more updates.